Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Happy Mini Mondays, my friends. Okay, so I have two savings challenges that I was working on for my S&C Budget Creations, and then I have two savings challenges that I was working on from my freebies that I got from other content creators. And so I decided I'm just going to put it all together. Mini Mondays is not designated for freebies or for S&C, but since today we have these four that we're working with, we are going to just go for it. Today we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, so we got 50 bucks here. I did have a little bit more cash, but we spent some money, so I did not have the my sinking funds envelopes with me, and we went ahead and spent some money. So, you know, sometimes it happens that way. And I really wanted to save some more, but it's okay. This is a lot of money for me anyway, in comparison to what I normally save. So I'm excited to see any savings taking place. All right, so let's see here. We're going to put the cash here. I have my dice, so we're going to do, how about we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that going to work? No, it's not. I think what we should do is, because that's going to confuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, that should work. These are roll-in saves, and these are whatever amounts that is designated. These are $1, and then I have one scratch off down there, which maybe I should scratch it off so I know how much I need to be working on. Okay, we're gonna scratch it off. $5. All right, $5. Okay, so let me just explain. These two savings challenges are from S&C Budget Creations, or they're from I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs memberships, which I will link both of those down below. This savings challenge is from Miss Frugal, and I will link her. And this one is from the Carter Blues. Both of these were freebies, so I will make sure to link them. All right, I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Didn't I? I think that's what I said. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we're going to do 3 bills. Whatever bills, 3 bills it is. 2. Oh, that was a 2. Okay, 1, 2. 2. All right, 1, 2. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that one's a rolling save. Okay, can we get a 5 or a 6? 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, 5 or 6. 1. Okay. 5, finally. 1, 2, 3. Can we get a 6? 6. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we needed a 5. And this one just needs one more $1, so I think we're just going to go ahead and get it, that other $1, before we end up ruining that momentum there. And should we, how much do we have? $6 left? Should we put it here? Because this one didn't get very much money. And 3, 6. Oh, and this one just needs $1. Okay, I'm making a judgment call. We're putting this $6 here. Yes, we are. Okay, so hey, I'm challenging myself to complete the savings challenge. All right, so we have 6 there, right? So, and then we have 3 more. 1, 2, 3, and we just need one more $1. We just need one more $1. I think we're just going to take $1 from here. Boom. I did it. I'm sorry if you feel like that is not the way things should go. I kind of cheated, I did, but now that savings challenge is completed, and that means Wednesday we'll have a little bit more cash to work with for our sinking funds. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. That's exactly how much it says I should save with the savings challenge. So, yay, go us. All right, one more savings challenge completed. All right, and this one from the Carter Blues, we completed as well. And let's count up our total, because each of these I did $1, and then the scratch offs equaled $12. Let's see. So we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, $47. Yes. Oh my goodness, that's so awesome. All right, I don't think we finished these two. I'm going to put them back in rotation, and I'm going to pull out some other savings challenges, but we're just going to do what we got to do, you guys. I think it's really important to just keep trying to save something. Oops. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Then we have 8. And 3. Okay. This one needs 2 more rolls. I'm just going to keep going with it. I did want to try to get my Mother's Day savings challenges in rotation. I don't think it's happening today, but that's okay, you guys. I think just got to keep making some progress here. This savings challenge now has 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. $30. Okay. I was really hoping to complete all of these. Well, not all of them, because the fairy, I think, is going to take me a while. But what I'll do is I will figure out my freebies and my mini Mondays, and then I will put this back into rotation with those savings challenges once I decide. And then let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to scratch off, or not scratch off, we're going to mark off 3 more rolls. 1, 2, 3. So each time I do a roll and save, I just mark off a number. I'm not saving a specific amount. This savings challenge typically is done the 26 weeks. The first week you save $1. Second week you save $2. The 23rd week you save $23. But that's not how I'm doing it. I'm just marking that off, and I'm going to, in hope at the end of this, that I roll 26 times, and then whatever I save is what I save. I think last time I saved like $100 and something. So that ended up being really awesome for my savings goals. And we need some bigger bills. All right, so we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. We have $45 here, and I have some 20s. And we're going to go ahead and grab them. So that way we'll have some cash when we need to come together and do another cash stuffing. All right, so I'm not going to find my savings challenges right now. What I will do is the next time we come together, I will try to make sure I have it already set up. I do need to get out the door as we speak, so I was trying to film what I could and take care of what I could. This is the one we're working on. Don't want to leave that out. Perfect. So this is my S&C Budget Creations binder here, and then this one is my Freebie Friday Mini Monday. Typically these are my freebies, but like I said, I only had a couple left. This one's going back in rotation. I do need to find my other savings challenges. I do have some Mother's Day savings challenges I want to work on. So I will try to get those all set up for the next time we come together. And let me put my messy savings challenges right in here. So then that way we'll be, not my messy savings challenges. I'm going to put these envelopes in here because I don't want to misplace them. I think I'm missing one. We're not going to worry about that. We're not going to worry about that right now. But let me grab my sinking funds binder. 1 second. All right, so we've got our sinking funds binder here, and we have the cash here that we are going to be stuffing. So glad these savings challenges were completed. All right. I do need to get more bigger bills. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I have 19. Do I have it? Oh, 20, 20. Because, and I'll work on figuring the rest of these out. I don't have any more 20s. I'm not a big time baller, just a little bitty baller. That's so corny. But 5s and 10s will stuff just fine. You guys, I want to thank you all so much for continuing to come back and see what's going on over here. I'm not going to count this. We'll count it up and we'll see what we're stuffing on Wednesday. But you guys, this has been tremendous. Seeing this savings coming along. And once again, I can't stress this enough. This is a magic month for me. So we should see a little bit more saving than we typically do. I've had a couple of moments where I was thinking, no, maybe I shouldn't put it into savings, but it all at some point needs to either go into savings or it needs to go into my sinking funds because I have goals, and so I need to stay focused on those goals. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Oh, by the way, ladies, all of you who make your freebies, I appreciate you. Once again, I can't stress that enough either. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Anybody making freebies, especially my partner, Cassie makes freebies all the time. And so it helps me so much with my savings journey. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.